So folks, when you do a little spring cleaning and you rearrange all the furniture and everything in this room was in a different spot about 20 minutes ago, and I've been vacuuming underneath all the couches, underneath all the tables that were there. Even this thing was up against the wall and laying this way. So I vacuum all this, and now I'm gonna clean the mat with one of these. That's right there. Okay, so it's time now for the hot water treatment. Got me a rag. I'm just gonna apply it. And it's really hot water. And just go over everything, and then this will just get all the residue off. And there you go, it's good as new. Oh, and why go over it with a hot towel? And that's why. Anyways, it looks beautiful. It looks brand new. There's a little spot right there I'm gonna get right now. But besides that, that's how you spring clean, folks. Cheers. And just to finish the spring cleaning, don't forget where that was that you just moved. And I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum that now.